Welcome to another video by Zyen. In this video, we're going to go through the tutorial for my Latin solo choreography to Michael Bublé's Beautiful Day. It's a Jive Solo and you're going to have a lot of fun with it. This choreography is made up of 4 parts, which I will label as Part A, B, C, and D. Part A begins by facing our bodies to the right corner. You're going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, followed by 2 stationary chicken walks. 5, 6, 7, 8. We repeat that bar again for the second bar, which means we'll go again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Next, we're going to do a fall away, throw away. Starting the right foot, you're going to go 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. One more fall away, throw away, but there's a slight modification for this one. You're going to go back, rock, triple right. And for the next section, instead of tripling and facing forward, we're going to triple forward to this direction, triple forward, and over here, we're going to do a 2-point turn. Now, there are 2 options over here. You have the beginner option and the advanced option. Beginners, from here, you're just going to do 1 turn like this, 2 steps to this direction, turning over your left shoulder like this, step, open, and 2 more counts, just a hand up. Advanced dancers, from here, you're going to do 2-point turns. That means you're going to do 2 turns along this line over your left shoulder like this. Step, turn, step, turn. And that's the end of part A. Starting the toe struts, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Part B is really simple. It's just a series of cross points. Cross points look like this. Starting the right foot, you're going to cross your right foot over your left, and the left toe points to the left. So as you do this, make sure you have a slight rotation in your body to face the right corner. Then, left foot steps across, then your right toe points to the right with the body facing the left corner. So those are cross points. In part B, we will do 4 slow forward, 4 slow back, then 4 quick forward, 4 quick back. When I say slow, it means that each step is 2 counts. When I say quick, each step is 1 count. So think of it as 4 slow forward, 4 slow back, 4 quick forward, 4 quick back. So for part B, what it looks like is this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going back. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. For quick, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, during part B, feel free to express how you like it with your hands. In this case, I'm not giving you any handwork, so you can actually just express it however you like. Just go with the music. Just a note, for part A to go into part B, it can be very challenging if you're doing the advanced option. For beginners, it's pretty simple because after you've done the turn, you have a slight hold before you go into part B. So you have time to rest and collect yourself before you go into part B. Advanced dancers, however, from the turns, you're going straight into part B, which means you've got your turn, 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 step, point, step, point. So make sure that you're prepared for that first cross action from part B. And that's why the turn is over your left shoulder so that it is continuous. Use the first step of part B to regain your balance if you need to. That means from here, step, turn, collect yourself, and then point. So that's why for part B we slow down to give you some time to regain your balance and of course take a quick break during this exciting song. Part C begins with a fall away rock. That means you're going to start your right foot, a back rock, triple right, triple left, add one more back rock in, and then we're going to do a twist. So put your right foot next to your left, use your hips to twist. We're going to go slow, slow, quick, 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 quick. And then do another fall away rock with one more back rock. Back rock, triple right, triple left, back rock, and then go into toe, heel, swivels with a pause. That means toe, heel, cross, hold, toe, heel, cross, hold. So for part C, it's just a series of fall away rocks, alternating twist and toe, heel, swivels. We will do this for 2.5 rounds. That means think of it as twist, toe, heel, swivels, twist, toe, heel, swivels, ending with a twist. During the fall away rocks, feel free to do handwork that kind of matches the music. So for me, because the fall away rock happens during a beautiful day, my hands will throw up. And for the rest of the section, I tend to just use my hands to express the meaning and the words used in the song. So the entirety of part C without additional handwork looks like this. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Twist, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Toe, heel, swivels. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6. Twist again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Toe, heel, swivels. Tick-a-tock. Last 1, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8. Twist, 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 twist. Now, the first time you do part C in this song, there is an 8-count tag which you need to do in order to connect back to part A. So for this tag, all you need to do is just step, tap for 8 counts in a zigzag fashion to bring you back so that you can start again. So it looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and then you start again with part A. Part D is what I call the shock sendiri part, or in other terms, the vanity section. So during this section, you can express this however you like with whatever upper body work. For the lower body, it's very simple. All you need to do is just step to the right, like this, with your hips kind of facing the left corner, your weight on the right foot, and left foot on ball. You hold this position for 4 counts before you mirror it to the left for another 4 counts. We will do this sequence for 4/8, which means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 3, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 4, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now, obviously, we're not just going to move our hips, right and left. Express this however you like to match the words that he's saying in the music. And there you go. That's a choreography to my Jive Solo to Michael Bublé's Beautiful Day. So now that you know the moves, feel free to watch the video in order to dance along to the music. I hope you enjoyed learning the dance. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to get more updates on when more dance tutorials and dance choreography to Latin Solo by Zyen are released. Happy dancing!
It's a beautiful day and I can't stop myself from smiling. If I drink in there, I'm buying, and I know there's no denying. It's a beautiful day, the sun is up, the music's playing.